Hello my people, welcome to this channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I greet you. This is Beef. You already know what we do on this channel. If you are just viewing for the first time, please do to like, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Today we are making a Mules half shoe. So let's get down to business. Okay, quick one here. I have a Telegram channel for you guys whereby I post videos and also link to new videos so that you can always catch up with our videos on here. So, and also if you want to be part of the business, you can always reach out to us on all our social media platform. Our link is below. The link to the channel is below the video. The link to our social media platform is below the video. So let's get started. You already know how we came to this, how we got this result, whereby we place our pattern on our leather and we draw out what we want. It's just a simple design anyways, but simple and sensitive. Okay, I said sensitive in the sense that you have to place your monogram. You have to make use of your monogram, and you have to put it in a right place at the center of the shoe, and one must not be longer or shorter or go down than the other one. So it has to be on equal side. So as you can see what we're doing on here, and we fold. Don't forget we fold our half shoe, our Mules. There's difference between folding and taping. This one here is folding. Taping is okay when making a half shoe. A loafers or some other half shoes is a process whereby you take a leather lining and you join it alongside with your shoe with your leather, and you sew, then you fold it. That's what we call taping. And folding is just whereby you make use of your material, of your leather, and you apply a little gum on it and fold the leather, fold it inside. So that's what we call folding. So that's the difference between folding and taping. So let's see what we have here. Okay, we place our we try to measure the center, the middle of our leather, and we mark it out and place our monogram on it. So after doing that, we applied little gum on it. After applying gum on it, we sew, and after sewing, we move on to the next stage.
process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So after sewing and after joining our monogram alongside with our leather, after sewing it together, we're lining it, because it's just a simple design and a easy one. Yeah. So we're lining. After lining, there is our outcome, and we need to add we need to leave excess part of it, so that after sewing, after sewing we'll be able to trim out. So that's why we didn't trim it alongside. We didn't give it a smooth trimming after lining. So we line. After lining, we sew the folded area, the folded edge. We sew it. After sewing, we trim. Then we move on to the next step, next stage. As you can see, after sewing and after trimming the excess parts, this is our outcome. This is what we get. And okay, we move on to the next step, which is the filing and the lasting area. We already know how we got to we came across our insole, which we knocked already on our last time. We filed the normal area and applied gum, and there is our lasting stage, our lasting process. Okay, while lasting, we apply gum on it, apply front stay. If you don't know how we apply our front stay, you can always go back to our recent videos to see how it is done. Then we apply gum on our sole. It's a ready-made sole. As you can see, we apply gum on our sole and on our shoe. Then here we have our results. So this is our results. You can see how beautiful it is. So that's on today's video. Don't forget, you can always reach out to us on all our social media platforms, and you can also join our Telegram channel, because I will be dropping short videos on our Telegram channel starting now, and you'll be very glad you did. So see you guys next time. Shout out.